Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how can I make croissants only way. Start with cold butter and high-protein flour, mix a stiff dough, chill, then laminate by encasing butter, rolling, folding, and chilling 3 times. Shape into crescents, proof until puffy, brush with egg wash. Bake at 200 degrees C for 12-15 minutes until deep golden and crisp. Use unsalted butter, keep everything under 10 degrees C, rest dough overnight for flavor, and avoid overworking layers to preserve flakiness. For ingredients, weigh everything precisely. Flour, butter, yeast, milk, salt, and sugar. Prefer high-protein flour and unsalted butter. Warm milk slightly to activate yeast, but keep it under 30 degrees C. Mix a stiff dough, chill it, and prepare a cold butter block to encase the dough. Laminating with 3 folds yields distinct layers. Rest and proof times change with room temperature, so watch dough visually rather than by strict minutes. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, great for hands-free timers and upbeat baking playlists, and it fits neatly on your counter. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Technique matters. Roll the dough evenly, maintain consistent thickness, and use straight, sharp folds. Chill between folds until the butter is firm, but the dough stays pliable to prevent tearing. Use a ruler or guide for uniform triangles and handle the dough gently to keep layers intact. Proof croissants until visibly puffy. They should look aerated but not doubled. Bake on a preheated tray for even bottom color and crispness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.